Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm back again with another really interesting video guys. As you can see on my screen, we have got Google AI Studio open and today we are going to discuss all new features of Google AI Studio. So yes guys, recently Google has reformed this platform with a really cool option of supercharge your apps with AI. We are going to explore this option today and we are going to show you that how Google AI Studio can help you build some really cool apps with one of the most prominent features of Google AI, including Nano Banana and including VO3 model and including their most famous AI chatbot creations. So, without taking any time further, let's get started, guys. So, as I told you guys that today Google AI Studio has introduced this feature called as Supercharge Your Apps with AI. And what this feature basically does is that it enables your prompt. So for example, Google AI Studio always allowed you to have a prompt window where you just describe your idea. You click on this build button right here and it is going to build the application for you. But now with the help of supercharge option, you can actually power your app with some of the very specific AI platforms. So for example, if you want a cool image generation capability in your application, you can just click on Nano Banana powered app and this can help you create some image editing, some image creation platform to your application. Okay, and then you can always select the model that you want to use for your application. So you can select the Gemini 2.5 Pro Flash, etc. You can always select the type of template if you want Angular template or if you want React template. You can even select the microphone as well if you are using a different microphone for your laptop or for your device. Okay, so this is how we can use these supercharge options. All you have to do is select the option and it is going to display in your prompt window just like that. You can even select more than one option. So for example, if you also want a voice enabled capability in your application, you can click on create conversational voice app. You can see that now I have got more than one feature enabled in my prompt window, and this will have the Nano Banana capability and also Gemini's live API capability to give your application a voice related enhancement. Now what's left to do is simply describe your idea. Once you describe your idea, it is going to start building that idea into a full-fledged app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of the ideas that I already built. So let me show you that idea first. So here you go guys, you can see that it is actually opening. So this is a Gemini AI story generator. And this was my idea guys, that create a story generation application which will take a story concept and generate a few animated images describing the story. And exactly as I showed you in this window, I selected the Nano Banana powered app for actually creating this application. So let me copy that again and let me try to again create this application for you. So now you can see that the build button is enabled. I have my Nano Banana feature also enabled. All I just need to do is click on this button and you can see that it has started to work. It is now going to create the entire application for me powered with AI Nano Banana model. Now, while the application is building, you can even add more features to it. So, for example, if you want to implement the interactive story branches, so you can actually add a chat window to your application where the users can make choices within the story and they can influence the narrative. So, for example, once you click into this add to chat option, it is actually going to create this prompt in your ongoing prompt window while the application is still building. What you can do is you can stop the application building, cancel the application generation, and just paste its prompt and give it to your application builder. Or as you can see that I have almost completed making the application. It is almost completed, making all the files. So you can just wait for the first version of your application to get created, and then this generation button is going to convert into a play button or a send button, and you can then send this prompt to your code assistant, and it's going to make all those changes for you. So there you go guys, you can see that the initial application is already built. It is actually now running to preview that application for me, and that's why there is a progress bar right here. It does take some time to render the application guys, but you can see that while this is going on, you do have your send prompt button enabled. Now, if I click on send prompt, it is going to take this entire prompt and send it to my code assistant, and the code assistant immediately will start making changes. So now you can see I can click on this send prompt button, but before that I will just show you that how this application initial version actually looks. So basically they have given us a prompt window, and I just have to write my prompt, click on animate story, and it is going to start creating the story images for me in this visualize and edit window, and it is going to create those animated images with the help of Nano Banana model. Okay, so for example, I can just take this same concept that I actually wrote in my original application, that a detective discovers a city under London, right? So I'm going to just give it the same prompt and click on animate story. You can see that now it is actually generating the image which is going to describe this story for me. So obviously guys, this is not very fast because it does, it is like a trial version. So it's not, it's not a trial version, but it is still a slower model because we are using a free version. We are not using a very highly updated fast version. Also Nano Banana, even you use it in its own original form, if you are using comparison or something like that, it is still not very fast. But you can see that your images are already created. Now it has built a detective which has discovered a city under London, and it looks a little bit like this. It has now generated 4 images for us, and all these images you can just click on them and you can see that it gets displayed in this bigger window. If I want to make changes into this storyline, I can just do that with the help of one more option, and all I have to do is send this prompt, which is going to add an interactive element to the story generation where user can make choices in certain points. So now the user, if they want to change the story, they just have to change the entire prompt, right? But we just want to change the story in certain positions, not the entire story. So I'm going to now send this prompt to my code assistant, and you can see that it immediately starts to think, and then later on it is going to start making changes into my application. Once it starts to make changes, the application is going to reload itself and you will observe the new changes. Okay, so just to show you guys, this is the application that I initially created, and I similarly added few changes into it. So for example, this was my next change given to the code assistant to enhance the app by adding a genre selection feature. So you can see that this genre selection feature was initially not there. It was only when I added this prompt, this genre selection feature was added, and now I can select any of the genre and click on the generate story, and it is going to generate a story for me on the basis of that value. And again you can see that this application originally was also able to create animated images with the help of Nano Banana. Okay, so these are really cool features guys, which you can implement just in a few clicks with the help of Google AI Studio. Now that we know that, I will also show you one more application that I created. So I created a Cosmic Navigator application, and in this application guys, I actually used the AI powered chatbot. So in the previous one I used the Nano Banana model, but in this one I used a AI powered chatbot Supercharge to supercharge my application. And what this actually does is that this gives my this gives my application a LLM agent or an LLM assistant, which is going to take my prompt, summarize it, or detail explanation, explain to me in detail or summarize it. But all it's going to do with the help of that AI powered chatbot Supercharge. So this application was basically an astrology application where I would just give it my date of birth and my time of birth and some other details, and it's going to create my entire birth chart. And not only that, it is going to give me a chat option where I can actually ask things about my future based upon my birth chart or based upon my horoscope. Okay, so you can see that with the help of Google AI Studio, you can add multiple different features. You can play around with them. So for example, you can use AI powered chatbot, you can use nano banana model, you can use a whole lot of different things to actually supercharge your application and make it in the most effective way. So these are the features, guys, that Google AI Studio has given in their platform. I was super excited to use them. I hope you guys also learned something about them in this video. If you actually did learn something about them, guys, then I highly request you to please like this video and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feedback for me, please do write down in the comment section below. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications of more such AI videos, latest programming, software videos. All the IT support is right here in this channel, guys. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, put down in the comment section below. I would be really happy to address them. Until next time, thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.